Hey foodies, welcome to Siddha Can Cook.
Today's recipe is quick and easy mug cheese pasta or the mug mac and cheese. This is the ingredients list. You can check it out. Take a mug, add half a cup of elbow shaped pasta. You can use any shaped pasta. Then half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oil and salt as per your taste. Mix it once. Now keep it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and the pasta will be well boiled. Now add 1/4 cup of cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You can use the processed one. A splash of milk, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 teaspoon of oregano, some pepper, pizza seasoning or the pasta seasoning, peri masala. Here the spice mix is done. Now mix the boiled pasta with the cheese and spices. Now keep it in the microwave for 2 minutes and your mug cheese pasta will be ready. Now watch this cheese pull. I have used the mozzarella cheese to get this amazing pull. It tastes amazing and it can be made in just 5 minutes. So enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Now goodbye and happy cooking.